Hello friend, yesterday I received one comment regarding the flexible house, how we can create in the piping module. So in this video we will quickly understand the how we can create the flexible house or the piping. Okay, both are the same, but only flexible we need to make. In piping we have straight portion, so in hoses we have the flexible portion. Okay, so this one I have created, but I'll show you from the start. So I'll delete all this one, and we can create from the scratch. So here for the piping, or you can say for the hoses, we need to first create the points. So we need to understand the points thoroughly, so that we can play with the pipe modifications of the hoses and the pipe, and we can properly design with the pipe. So it's all depends on the pipe point locations. Okay, so we need to properly modify how we can transfer those one. So I'll use the coordinates, offset coordinate system points. So here I have created here points and click on this. So first I'll create on 0 0, then second one is the straight portion I will make, then third one I'll go randomly on this direction. Okay, and third one likewise. So randomly I am creating here. If you all want, we can discuss the piping module in thoroughly. So I'll just quickly create here. So what we are going to do here, we will make the first straight portion and end as a straight portion, and remaining all are straight, sorry, flexible. So in that case you can go to application in the piping module. Okay, and here we need to create the line stock first. So line stock contain the all the information. So just say create here, and you can give the random name. Okay, so here I am giving the 002, or as per your applications also you can add here the info, you can choose the name. Okay, so I am giving here 002, and you can fill all the information here, like the size of the pipe, like OD. Suppose I am creating here 10 pipe, outer diameter, and 1 thickness. So here if you want the complete straight pipe, then means for the piping module, so you can use the straight. If you are working on the flexible, then you can click on this one, flexible. Okay, so this one is very necessary. Okay, so you just click on this one and say okay. So our line stock is created here. So this one is the first process. Then say create pipe, and you can give the pipeline name. Okay, so I am giving here 02. Okay, you can choose, means you can give any name. Okay, and here choose the line stock. So it may be created one, or you can choose from your file also. So I am creating 001 we have. So here we can choose here. So 002 we have created, and all the information from this stock is applied here. Okay, then directly go to this route pipe. So you can see here, if we click on the route pipe, then means click on this one and say route pipe, then all these commands are activated. So click on this one, pipeline, and route the pipe. All this command will be activated. Then first tip is set a start. So set a start and select the first point and say okay. So this one is our first start point. Then to the point, to the point, I have created the means selected the next point and say OK. Then I need this one as a state, so I given as a state. Then after that I need here the flexible. So before selecting the third point, say here flexible with a free length. So you can go into environment and choose here flexible with a free length option. So now we are going to use the flexible. So select the third point, you can see here this one is a flexible, and press the control and select all those remaining points like this. And now I need the here straight portion, so go to environment and say here straight and say OK, and now select the last point like this. So this one is the very simple, it is applied with the hoses or pipe. So only just you need to properly create the points. Okay, and then you can see the pipe. So this one is the hose we have created. First we have the straight portion and this one is the flexible. So depending upon your routing means holding points, okay, so based on that you can route the hose. Okay, so here in the, if you want to create the model for this one, so this one is for display purpose only. If you want to create the model, then go to pipe solid here and here select this one and say make a model. Okay, you can see here the model here it is created. Now close this one and you can open this model. So this is the model. I'll save with height. So okay, so this is the model of the hose. Okay, and you can update the line stock also. You can directly redefine. Suppose I need it 20 and thickness of 2 mm, then also it will regenerate. Go to model and regenerate it. Okay, it will regenerate like this. So I hope you got the idea on how to create the flexible hose. Okay, so if you have any further questions on this one, so you can drop in the comment box. So thank you for watching, see you in the next video.